Create. She created a beautiful painting.
Destroy. He destroyed his sister's toys.
Come. She was coming home from school.
Go. He always goes for a walk in the evening.
Arrive. He arrived home late at night.
Depart. He departs for work every day.
Reject. He rejected the proposal due to lack of interest.
Accept. She accepted the gift with gratitude.
Find. She is finding her mobile phone.
Lose. She lost her key on the bus.
Increase. The company increased production this year.
Decrease. They decrease the price to attract customers.
Live. She lives in a big city.
Die. The plant died due to lack of water.
Love. He loves chocolate ice cream.
Hate. She hates eating fish.
Appear. The sun appeared after the clouds cleared.
Disappear. The sun is disappearing behind the mountain.
Start. The race will start soon.
Stop. He stopped running after getting exhausted.
Buy. He bought a new car.
Sell. The man is selling fresh fruits.
Lead. She led the team to victory.
Follow. The dog followed its owner everywhere.
Begin. The show began at 8 p.m.
End. The race is about to end.
Open. She opened the door for the guest.
Close. She is closing the window.
Build. They built a new house.
Destroy. The storm destroyed the old barn.
Give. He gave her a bouquet of flowers.
Take. She took the book from the shelf.
Attack. The shark began to attack the small boat.
Defend. He raised his shield to defend against the blow.
Teach. She teaches mathematics to high school students.
Learn. She learned a course online.
Clean. They clean the windows.
Dirty. The children dirtied the kitchen while cooking.
Break. He accidentally broke the vase.
Fix. He fixed the broken table.
Speak. The child spoke something softly to his mother.
Listen. They listened carefully to the teacher.
win. They won the championship game.
Lose. She lost her wallet on the way home.
Hide. The children hid under the table.
Show. The teacher showed the students a map.
Push. He tried to push the heavy box.
Pull. He had to pull the rock up the hill.
Save. They saved money for the trip.
Spend. She spent all her savings on shopping.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more fun lessons. See you next time.